Alright guys, welcome back to another video, Foley's Garage. Today we are going to be installing the Boost Auto S-Series cab lights on a 17 F350. So if you guys saw the announcement, Boost Auto now does paint matched for their cab lights, their mirrors, and I think they have a bunch of more stuff coming. So this is my dad's truck. He doesn't do anything to his truck at all. He doesn't like anything that's not stock. So I finally found something that I think that he would like to do to it. So I picked these up for him for Father's Day, and we finally got around to installing it. But look at the paint match. I mean, it's just absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. These are their new LED lights that'll go and replace the ugly orange ones that all of these trucks have. But now that you can get them paint matched, they don't have to be, black as before. Fantastic. There's a bunch of different ones you can get. These ones, obviously, they plug and play and super easy install. But you can get them to still be amber, the way that they come stock. You can get them to have a running light being white, depending on what you got for your other lights. They also can do a turn signal as well. So you can have, it'll be the middle one, and then say the two to the left, two to the right will blink for your turn signal. They also have the sequential one, so it'll kind of be like the sweeping function as well. So if you had the running boards, you can match that. As you can see, these are the orange ones that are just super ugly. The more you look at them, the uglier they get. So we're going to take these off right now. The whole installation took us about 20 minutes. This is them with the lights on, not really that bright. So all they are is a T20 Torx bit. So remove that, and then you're going to push the light forward and then kind of pull up on it. And the only annoying part is to just get rid of the glue and the adhesion, because this is a 2017, so it is not brand new in any way. So it's a little bit of a pain to get the glue off. We used a rubber knife, like a little plastic knife, to get it off, some goo off, and was able to get it. You could see some of the foam there sticking, so there's just a little lever on the bottom of that to remove the connection, and you just got to peel off all of that old gasket. So these are them comparing them next to each other. They just definitely look cooler. Obviously the light is better. It says Boost Auto at the top. Also, they are numbered 1 through 5. If you watch the video for the instructions on how to put these on, 1 is to the left when you're looking at the truck, the left, and 5 is all the way to the right, and they go there on purpose because they're all like just slightly aimed a certain way. So this is what we used to get it off. The 3M adhesion remover worked out really, really, really well. You can see we got all these off and cleaned, ready to go. Like I said, the most annoying part is just taking off the glue. All right, so this is the first one that we installed. Just want to show you what the fit and finish is and how it looks on the truck. Matches absolutely perfectly. Looks so good. And the new ones, they just plug in. They come with a new screw and a new little rubber washer, and that is it. You plug it in. The plastic clip will clip in. Some of them, the wires are oddly long, so just make sure you push that in there. Okay, and you'll hear it clicks right in. That's the screw and the rubber washer I was talking about, and it is just the Phillips. And don't use a screw gun. You do not want to crack these or over tighten them, so just until hand tight. So this is us going in order. 5 is all the way to the driver's side. We just put in 4. Now we're going to put in 3. And here are them all the way done. You don't really notice before you get these how ugly the orange ones are, but man, you could notice these ones. They just look so good. And I think they would look good if they were, black on this truck, but the fact that you can get them paint matched, it just totally elevates them. My uncle has the same truck, and he already wants these for his truck. You can also get these with the startup sequence. So when the lights turn on, and the same thing of all the other Boost Auto products, they kind of sweep and turn on, which is cool. So if you had the tow mirrors, if you had the side steps, and you got everything with the startup sequence, when you turned your lights on, they would all do the same thing. Also, which I thought was really impressive, is the color of the amber is exactly the same as the stock tow mirrors. The Super Duty already comes with tow mirrors, so you don't need the Boost Auto ones. But the orange color is the same, and the design of the cab light kind of mirrors the tow mirror with the one light over the other light, which you wouldn't know that these weren't stock, which is, like I said in the beginning of the video, my dad doesn't like anything that's not stock, so it looks like it all fits together. That design is very much the same as that design. Just a great choice by Boost Auto. I don't even know if they thought of that. I'm assuming they did, but it just fits together so nicely. Looks real good. And like I said, you can't get these with a turn signal integration. Maybe the next truck we do, we'll do that. But you can see how the one all the way to the left and all the way to the right kind of tilt in a little bit, which looks very nice. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. This was the install of the Boost Auto S-Series cab lights. And we also just got new tow mirrors for my truck, so that's going to be the next video. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that one. And we will see you guys in the next one. Also, thank you to everybody who helped us get our YouTube channel back. We ended up getting hacked and kind of a pain in the butt to get it all back, but we had a bunch of people reach out to YouTube and report it and try to help us out. So thank you so much. We really appreciate that. And we're going to keep this channel going. Thank you.